Oh, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́ ní gbogbo ìgbà tẹ́ bá ń wò mí. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò yìí. Ètò yìí la mú wá sí etí ìgbọ́yín jákèjádò orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ tẹ́tí kẹ́ bá wa wo àwọn fídíò yìí. Ẹ bá wa like ẹ share ẹ dẹ̀ subscribe sí channel wa. Ẹ kú ojú lọ́nà o.
We're trying to give hope, and to start akara business doesn't take a lot of money. To start roasting corn, or somebody even said about grant, you see they're saying that kuli doesn't take much. We didn't give them a loan, we gave it to them as a grant. So we've encouraged Nigerians as best as we could. What is within our hands, I have given, and I keep giving. And those are the things we've done. I remember giving for TB. When I heard there's so much TB cases, I gave 2 billion. To breast cancer, I gave 1 billion. To food malnutrition, I gave 500 million. So those are the things we've been doing and making sure we try.
Babi buai.
Kanda ga don shawari
tsakanin ma Allah ibabi en der ibuai en der
Ibuai ore buai en ba
idde duwai shawara imabbe
ore
itambayari
ore
imma kuma Farida Usman der na wala der
Usman mai der Usman Farida en ba
okay dan karami fa idar na wala der tsakanin ma Allah
dan karami wala der kan ni adoygo ni arde en ni tare mu
adoygo bindigaje woni mudun amma shawara wargo hayruga dan karami wala der fadum wari mo ko wala der
ben barube imo en hon honde
be dennan ton dal hajin suka den be gondi ton
dal haji mo men gidi je sanon amen be
daga do halis
ga Allah kuma hum wala der ga annabijo Allah ta wattu
fumo anda wala
humo anda
Allah ta nyamu
wala der ga Allah ta nyamu amana mu ta wattu
te alilli dal haji babi men belisi
babi mo
amma babi en kambe be jaha ton ni mila kambe ga ni informa makko
amila ko no woni
babi wa informa makko na moy
yawa e babi e buwa yemba
babi buwa
ko gauda der
ahan
ko duma der
wallahi min ko mi ma daga duma dum der daga ko duma da der ba sai ni iya kan don ton jotti do e shawara ni tare men ne hamen kolli yigo men to tunda wana goddo warani neddo ko eno wata ko eno hunde ko duma wawa hawto ko men
mo way informa makko gida babi wa informa makko kan ibuwa yi okay be fidimo dal haji moy
alhaji sukabe be endo warde ton har gugu
Umaru mo li inde mabbe ben gidi tan amen go
ben do hori be humi anda inde mabbe walla
kambe no ngida
bebe buddo mutun noy no
bebe buddo ay babi buai Farida tambayari sai oya moyno sai alhaji
dan alhaji
me hawri alhaji sai kanu
sani idar na wala der
sai
sani idar Usman fa idar na wala der Usman idar dan aram idar na wala der
dan arami kan wala der
dan arami wala der sakani ma Allah be batuda kambe non wobbe wala
wallahi wobbe wala hina kambe
to min na bati
alili idar na wala der
alili idar
kanun ko to dum fido mo e mudun na wala der fido go mo tare mun fido mo batu hore ma tare mun
wallahi tare mun non
tare mun
on the water matter, we want 80 days, yes. But since we spoke, water has gotten to areas in Enugu that there was no water. We have water in Ebere now after 15 years. No. Do not shout no. I am telling you that I can take you to go and verify. There are people here. Listen. Okay. Unless you don't want me.
For me,
struck Nigeria and largely ended the slaughter of Christian populations. They have a great Christian population. They were being butchered. Thousands and thousands of people were being killed. Children, women, old people, just being slaughtered, hatched to death. They know that if they go further, the attack will be far greater, and that they don't want to really get involved anymore so much. You know, we hit them very hard. We knocked out their leader. We knocked out their second leader and their third.
Ya pasó.